What's that? Alright, I'm just curious.
Sorry.
No, you're good. 14, 13. You're running Indiana commemorative for me. You got ID on you?
No.
No?
Yeah, I'm in the car.
Yeah, do you mind getting it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Tom Charles Singh, 451 Indiana commemorative. Really? Here, I got one running for me on foot on South 3rd Street, heading south. Stop! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground now! Monsieur, hands now!
No!
Get the on the ground! Hey, shots fired, South 3rd Street. One suspect down. I don't know. Oh my God. Marion, run medic, call supervisor. Oh my God. Camera. Here, I'm gonna be here crossing P6 Modern Near on South 3rd Street in the little park. Oh my God. He pulled a fire, he pulled a gun on me. He shot it towards me.
Okay, go sit over there. Go sit over there.